Hello, Namaskar. I am Raj Bahadur Buddha from Nepal. Many young people face serious barriers in accessing quality education. These include poverty, lack of transportation, remote or rural location, gender inequality, and limited access to technology. For deaf youth, the lack of accessible learning materials, sign language interpretation, and trained teachers makes it even harder. To create more equitable learning opportunities, I would design inclusive education policies. These would ensure access to learning in sign language and other accessible formats, training for teachers on inclusive methods and disability awareness, free education and resources for students from poor or remote backgrounds, use of technology and online platforms to reach rural areas, safe and supportive learning environments for all students, regardless of gender, disability, or background. Education is a right, not a privilege. We must make sure no one is left behind.